Good day, friends. We still want to solve more problems on number-based system, but this time we will be applying a real-life problem on number-based system. Let's start with this question. The currency of an island is dollars. Matthew went with $524.6 to a bookshop and he bought a maths book for $234.6 and a science book for $152.6. How much did he get? How much change did he get? So he went with this amount in dollars, but he bought two items, science book and a math book. So he bought 234 and 152 books. So let's add them. When we now add them, we take it from $524. So we have solution. So let's add them now. So let's add these and these. So we have 234 and 152 in base 6. 4 plus 2, 6. So we can't write 6 here because we are working with base 6. So we have 6 over 6. That's 1 remainder 0. So 0, you carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. We can't write 9 here. We have 9 over 6. And 1 remainder 3. So we have 3, you carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 430 base 6. That is the amount he spent buying maths book and science book. So let's know the change he's going to get in dollars. So we have 524 base 6 minus the amount he went to the shop with. So we have 4 minus 0, 4. We can't say 2 minus 3 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here. So this will reduce to 4. So the one we borrowed is actually 6. So 6 plus 2, that's 8. 8 minus 3, that's 5. So the change is going to come with is $54.6. $54.6. I hope you have gained something in this video. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.